Thasigi Kunda Northern Luzon Philippines ki Wagyogi Cordillera Hall Wagyo Country Club ta pangthokiba taraga mangarak suba Mr. International Peasant Edition ki grand finale da Malempumbagi oina Mr. International Englising aniga kunganithoi ge mingtol fangkraba Lukanand Ketrimayum saruk yakibaga loinana Narco Terrorism na sokhaliba Manipur gi matangda paojel pikhre Panbayai mamang chahida Lukanand first runner of takraba matungda handak chahida organizer na mahapu amuk na honana Mr. International gi mingtholasi pikibani tha taret hena India gi wangmada mahakna thodang pangthok lubagi loishilakpa oibana ngarang pangthokiba event asida Lukanand gi aroiba reigning work oina stage chatki Mr. International gi mana fanglaba kanglaicha Lukanand na hariba platform asida Manipur gi damak kathok chaki mahangna event asigi manung chana Manipur gi housik oriba fibam asigi matangda global awareness program ama pikhatki Tongan ba countries singi representatives national directors spokesperson amadi global media sing suna tilava event asida mahakna burning Manipur mingthon ba awareness program asida malemgi meeyamda narco terrorism na sokhaliba asigi matangda awareness pk hiram asigi matangda event asigi framework manungda tongan ba international media sing da topic asiga mari leinana narco terrorism na pirakpa chaitheng amadi masina sokhalakpa asigi matangda meeyamda hena kupthana awareness su pk gani Thauram asida hena thamoi huribadi international event asida Lukanand na set kiva fizol asini hariba fizol asi Baguio West international fashion designer King George na design tawduna laikidrabi mahairoi amagi aroiba meeting hapaga loinana safe Manipur haina thaduna yengliba miyamda housik oriba Manipur gi matangda hena khakningbasu pokhanki
believe our platform Mr. International is beyond the glamour. Our platform advocates for many causes. We are very privileged to have our own foundation called Mr. International Foundation. Through this foundation, today I shed the light to my own community, my own state, Manipur, which has been burning from the past 5 months. News of deaths, houses being displaced. In these conditions, I'm standing here as the reigning Mr. International to advocate for this cause. I want everyone to give a chance to see what's happening in India to the state called Manipur. Together, let's say, save the world from narco terrorism. Save the world, save Manipur. Thank you so much once again. Thagacheri.